How to find and change Wi-Fi direct password in Canon Pixma TS5151. First, you need to activate Wi-Fi direct. To do this, stay on the home screen and use navigation arrows to select Wi-Fi icon. Then press OK. Make sure LAN settings button is selected and press OK. Switch to wireless direct. Press OK. Select wireless direct active-inactive menu and press OK. Use the up arrow to switch to on. Press OK. Wait for the success screen. Wi-Fi direct is activated. Answer yes in this window and you will see your Wi-Fi direct password on the next screen. Press OK. Now you see your Wi-Fi direct name. Use down arrow to scroll down to your password. Your password is at the bottom of the screen. You can check your printer's password anytime. To do this, select the Wi-Fi icon and answer yes in this window. Now use down arrow to scroll down until you see your Wi-Fi password. Here it is. To change your password, stay on Basic Network Information screen, make sure LAN settings button is selected and press OK. Select Wireless Direct. In this menu, you can change your printer's network name, change password, request connection confirmation, and see full wireless direct settings list. Thanks for watching.